Lesson 2. Pre-wired DNA trauma programs. As previously discussed, the primary system functions of both the physical and astral bodies are automated with predetermined programming. This automation also includes behaviors that are classified to be what is called instinct. Respiration, digestion, reproduction, and metabolic systems can function without the willful intent of the physical and astral mind or consciousness. For the sake of our objective, we will compare this internal programming in a metaphor to computer language of a ROM, read-only memory, and RAM, random access memory, components of the system. A ROM stores firmware and software that rarely changes, such as the basic input-output system BIOS. It also protects programs and software instructions and performs large input-output I/O tasks. ROM is essential to any computer system because it contains the instructions needed for the computer to boot up and run its programs. RAM stands for random access memory and stores data that's currently being used. It's volatile, meaning that when the computer loses power, the data is erased. RAM is important for a computer's performance and multitasking capabilities. RAM is necessary for efficient processing and multitasking, while ROM provides the stability and reliability needed for system functions. For a simple metaphor to relay the concepts necessary for our learning objective, the DNA of the physical and astral bodies is pre-wired with ROM for basic system functions and maintenance. However, the DNA also serves as an antenna for receipt of RAM data as well. It is the observation, experience, and perspective of the author that external influences broadcast programming intended to be received by the particle body constructs to influence and determine behaviors, actions, and therefore outcomes. A secondary byproduct of this process is the creation of cognitive dissonance, agitation of the source spark energy that is contained in the bodies. The DNA receptors also function as transmitters by which the excess energy is harvested. So in summary, the containment systems have been manipulated in such a way that external broadcast programming can influence behavior and action with an end result of extraction of source spark energy.